drives John's Roback. Mom, I'm gonna get off here. Okay. All right. She just called me where I was at. We were almost home.
How the hell does he know my social security number? Tell me how that motherfucker knows my social security
I
number.
don't know. I just want to go home. I'm tired. And it's cold.
Yeah.
Pull that. Oh, never mind, I got it. Oh, shit.
You gonna turn your cord on?
It's cold.
Can you hear what I'm saying?
Mm-mm. You have a ladder?
I ain't digging for nothing.
Oh, well. Never mind. Can I roll this window up? Can I roll that up? Okay, well, I'm just getting my ladder right here. It's somewhere. It was.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll mine up a little piece too.
Do you
Cold
have
as shit.
the ladder?
Yeah, I will.
I just don't want that.
Yeah, I ain't fucking with that ladder. I'm Who knows? I'm fucking like the brightest piss.
Cold. Oh, shoot. Hey, you don't mind me asking, how many aluminums is that damn light?
Which one?
The one that's shining in the mirror. I'm just curious because they're really bright.
That's just a headlight.
What?
Yep. Just a
I wonder how many
headlight.
aluminums that thing is.
Yep.
Oh, it's a bad son of a bitch. I know
Yeah.
that. It's a bad mama demo. Hey, officer.
You can definitely see the deer with them.
Oh yeah, I bet. Do y'all have to put the little whistles on the front of the vehicles still? Yeah, you know, I remember.
Them help out though.
What are you talking about, whistle?
They make these animal whistles like for deer and you know.
Really?
Yeah, they
Yeah.
put out high pitched noise,
Yeah.
and when deer hear
When
them,
you're
they'll turn
driving.
and go the other way instead of crossing the road on you.
Back
Well,
when
heck,
Daniel,
every vehicle needs that on there.
They work pretty good.
back when Daniel and Mikey when they went to be cops and stuff on Harrisburg and stuff,
Mm-hmm.
I remember they had to put them on their vehicles.
Uh-huh.
It was like a mandatory thing.
I wonder,
Y'all
every
live
vehicle
right
needs
down
that.
the road here?
Huh?
Y'all live right down the road?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ridgeway.
Okay.
Ridgeway Road.
May I ask, how did he know my social and stuff?
What is it?
How did he know my social?
He may have dealt with you before. He's probably recognized you by face, bud.
Okay, but that I still don't understand how you have my social security number. You know what I'm saying? Like that's weird. That's how.
Have y'all had
Let's get some
anybody
bad weather,
get sick?
ain't we?
Oh,
Yeah.
gosh. Yeah.
Big ice storm again.
Yep.
They're supposed to hit about 1 o'clock.
Yeah, we've already started getting the generator. Make sure it's lined out and all that stuff.
Man, better, ain't it?
Oh yeah. If it was anything like that one back, was it 2006 or something like that? 2000. Yeah, well, I just had come back from college.
It was around 2006.
2006, 2007, something like that.
I don't know, electric went out.
Yeah.
I had to go yesterday and get made sure drainage.
It's out for up to 12 days.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, we
Time goes out in electric.
we left from Harrisburg and couldn't get a hotel room nowhere. We drove all the way to Cincinnati, up there. Well, not Cincinnati, Indiana, up there at the casino. It's the only place that had damn room up there. I had to pay out the ass for it, but we went up there. I had electricity and heat at the time, so we went.
Yeah, I had to go
Yeah,
yesterday
they
to
said
make sure
Walmart
Granny
was
had.
slammed today.
Oh, I bet.
Lord,
They
it was
turned a bunch of
horrible.
stuff up.
I bet there wasn't no toilet paper nowhere.
It probably wasn't. Probably wasn't.
You know,
man.
with the coronavirus, that was the first thing that went was toilet paper.
I don't understand
I
that.
don't
neither.
either.
I guess they figured if you got sick, you had to blow your nose and wipe your ass a lot.
Yeah, it didn't make sense why I told you.
No,
It's kind of odd.
You gonna get that vaccine? Or, huh?
Nah.
Not me either.
I don't think I'm going to either.
Mm-mm.
I ain't gonna do it either.
It's going to be out for a while.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's
And I had no testing.
I ain't never even took flu shots.
No,
I don't take that shit either.
I've never had the flu.
No. I was telling her when that corona first hit, it's gonna come like to more or less three things: either you catch it and you get pretty sick from it, or you don't catch it, and period.
Or you catch it.
Or
and
you
die.
catch it and you die. It's just
It's just got to run its course.
it's gonna have to. I mean,
It's
it's
like to run its cycle, ain't it?
yeah. It's
ain't going
inevitability. I mean, you can't something like it. It's airborne. It's on surfaces for days. You can't stop something like that.
Yeah, it's like a vaccine. It ain't been out long enough for me.
Right. Well, don't they have like a second one that
Well, you got a first shot and you got a second one, but the second one's been making people really sick.
that's exactly what I was going to say. The second one's been
Everybody's getting guinea pig.
yeah,
So I'm not
yeah.
about to take it, thing.
He's cold.
I knew this happening.
Who's that?
That's the drug dog.
Okay. What's that got to do with anything?
They do it every damn time.
Y'all know that fella there?
I don't know him. I don't know his name. And don't he have the dog or whatever?
Oh, it's cold.
I don't know. It looks like it was from Garrett County.
Yeah. I don't know who he's
My bad.
This is the first time we've done this, okay?
All
Is
right.
there anything in the car?
No, sir.
Okay. You care if we search?
I do care.
Okay. Well, what we're going to do, we're going to deploy the canine, just like we did last time. If the dog alerts, we will search. Okay?
Why am I not free to go?
Okay. Because you have one tail light.
I don't have one tail light. The tail light works.
It
It's
has to be illuminated
taped.
where you can see it visibly within 500 feet. So,
It is visible.
no, it's not.
Is it really not?
It is. It's just got a piece of tape over it.
We don't have consent. If you don't care. That's a bigger thing. So, yeah.
Oh
Anything,
shit.
sir?
I mean, you've conveyed your track. Can I roll the window down?
Do what?
Can I roll the window down?
Absolutely.
Can I roll mine up?
If you want.
I'm cold.
You've conveyed your traffic stop. Why am I not free to go?
Because I'm not done with the citation. He's going to deploy his canine.
So you're going to issue me a citation for what again?
One tail light, no driver's license, operating with expired driver's license.
Well, that's a arrestable offense right there.
Yeah, so
Oh, it is.
Expired?
Yes.
no driver's license either.
Well,
No driver's license.
it is. He had the papers at home to get an appointment. He's got an appointment to go in
Well,
to get a new
that don't do
license.
us any good right now.
Anything in your vehicle, my dog's gonna learn on it.
No, sir.
Okay. All right.
You want them out or stay in there?
They can stay in the vehicle. Just keep your hands inside because my dog is a bite dog.
Watch this shit. Every damn time.
Good boy. Come on.
Every damn time.
Show me.
No.
tell you something, all right?
Mm-hmm.
When I walk my dog around the vehicle,
Yes, sir.
everything, and as he comes around through here, he brings his head up. That's his alert for me. Once he brings his head up like that, because he normally keeps it down, that's the alert. Okay. So I need you guys to step out of the car now.
You see, so on head movement.
Yes, every dog is different. And if you want to take this to court, that's fine, because I'm a master trainer, and I'll testify upon that.
Okay.
Okay.
He already has court for me for like a month or 2 ago. So
Okay.
go ahead and step on out here. Larry.
Can you call your supervisor, please?
I'm the senior deputy working.
Okay.
So-
I'm asking for your supervisor.
I'm telling you, step out right now, or you're gonna go to jail. You have one chance. You got 3 seconds to step out. You can still record. I don't care.
Okay, that's fine.
But you were to step out
I
now.
want to take my seatbelt off. Okay. I'm getting out of the
That's
vehicle.
fine.
I've got to put my boots on. I don't even have my
Okay,
shoes
you hang
on.
on just a second in there, okay?
All right.
We'll get you out in a minute. You step out right now.
Yes, sir. You got it.
Turn around. Touch down. You have anything on you? A cut sticker?